toes facing little bit inside. Exhale. Both hands between in your leg. Touch your forehead. Stay here. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale and exhale. Both hands on the ground. Drop your right knee on the ground. Left leg straight. Okay. Now heel and knee in a line. Inhale. Raise your hand up. Exhale. Bend on the left side. Stay here. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, center. Exhale. Right. Stay here. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, center. Exhale. Now inhale and exhale. Bend on the left side. Left hand on the left leg. Right hand over the ear. Stay here. Keep breathing. 1, 2. Chest open. Look at your right shoulder. 3, 4. Inhale, center. Exhale. Now again. Bend on the right side. Raise your core. Chest open. 1, 2. आपकी लेग आगे लो, ये थोड़ी सी ऊपर की साइड ज़्यादा लग रहा है. 3, 4. Now inhale and exhale. Left hand on the left side, front of your leg. Right hand up. Stay here. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, center. Exhale. Now bend your left leg. Again, finger lock. Inhale and exhale. Bend on the left side. Chest open. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, center. Exhale. Right. Stay here. Focus on your breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, center. Exhale. Now bend on the left side. Open your hands. Both palm facing each other. Look up. Chest open. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, center. Exhale. Now from here, left shoulder under your left thigh. Finger lock back side. Chest open. Look up. 1. Stay here. 2, 3, 4. From here, touch your forehead to the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, center. Exhale. Now both hands on the ground. Left leg straight. Left heel on the ground. Left toe facing towards ceiling and left leg left side. Push your hip front. Stay here. Keep breathing. 1, 2. Hip front. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now drop your head down. Raise your head up. Open the leg. Inhale. Raise your head up. Exhale. Bend on the left side. Finger lock, finger lock, finger lock. 1. Finger lock. This is a finger lock. 2, 3, 4. From here, hold your toe. Left shoulder on the left knee. Right hand over the ear. Stay here. Keep breathing. 1. Chest open. Look at your right shoulder. 2. More chest open. More shoulder down. 3. 4. Inhale up. Spine straight. Lambda. Karo. Exhale. Bend forward. Touch your forehead to the ground. 1. Go down, go down. 2. 3. 4. Inhale up. Exhale. Now bend your leg. Both leg in 90 mm like this. Okay? Now inhale. Raise your hand up. Spine straight. Exhale. Bend forward. Go down. Touch your forehead to the ground. 1. 2. 3. 4. Continue. 5. 6. Inhale up. Exhale. Now hold your right toe with right hand. Touch your right heel with your hips. Stay here. Keep breathing. 1. 2. 3. 4. From here. अगर आप पकड़ के कर पाते हो तो पकड़ के कर लो, वरना एल्बो पे ऐसे ले लो. एंड फिंगर लॉक. 1. 2. 3. 4. Inhale center. Exhale. Now both legs front. Butterfly. Spine straight. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Now both hands on the knees. Inhale and exhale. Touch your forehead to the ground. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Inhale up. Exhale. One more time. Go down. 1. 2. 3. 4. Inhale up. Exhale. Now hold your toes. Spine straight. Inhale and exhale. Open your leg. Chest open. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. From here, drop your heel on the ground. Now, spine straight. Inhale. Raise your hand up. Contract your belly in. Toes facing up. the ground. 9, 10. Inhale up. Exhale. Now again both in front. Inhale. अपनी बैली को देखो, टेलबोन को आउट करो, बैली को आगे लो, चेस्ट ओपन, टोज अप, टोज अप. Inhale and exhale, go down. 1, 2, middle knee, 3, 4, legs should be straight, toes facing up. Inhale and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, दाढ़ी आगे, चेस्ट आगे, 8, बस बस, 9. चले, legs together, tapping on your thighs. Inside, inside. Two, 3, 4, 5. More hip up. Engage your core, shoulder on the ground. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale. Now bend your leg, hold your toes in butterfly. Inhale and exhale, touch your nose with your toes. 1, pull your toes to the chest. 2, 3, 4. Inhale down, exhale one more time, touch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale down. Now from here, open your leg. Open your leg with holding. 1. More stretch. 2. Engage your core. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now legs together, hug your knees. Inhale and exhale, touch your nose with your knee. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale down, open. Now Markatasana. Drop your both hands in the shoulder level. Drop your knees right side. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, hold your left toe with left hand and right toe with right hand. नहीं, मरकट आसन नहीं, मरकट आसन नहीं. राइट साइड ड्रॉप है ना नीज, तो राइट टो को राइट हैंड से पकड़ना है. लेग स्ट्रेट हो जाएगी, राइट लेग स्ट्रेट हो जाएगी, राइट लेग स्ट्रेट हो जाएगी. यस. लेफ्ट टो को लेफ्ट हैंड से पकड़ो. 1, यस. आगे वाली ऐसे स्ट्रेट हो जाएगी ना. हाँ. 3, 4. Inhale, center. exhale, side change, inhale and exhale, Markatasana, drop your knees, left side, stay here, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold your left toe with left hand leg straight and right toe with right hand, पीछे से पकड़ना है, पीछे से उसी पोजीशन में, यस, नी ड्रॉप रहेगा, 1, नी ड्रॉप रहेगा आपका ऐसे, अगर आप पीछे वाले लेग को पकड़ते हो तो नी ड्रॉप रहेगा, 2, 3, 4, inhale center, exhale, relax, take breath, inhale and exhale, now legs together, lift your feet up from the ground, bend your leg, Markatasana first, now drop your knees right side, look at opposite side, 1, 2, 3, 4, inhale center, exhale, side change, 1, 2, 3, 4, inhale center, exhale, side change, 1, 2, 3, 4, inhale center, exhale, side change, 1, 2, 3, 4, inhale center, exhale, relax, take deep, inhale and exhale,